What's up guys, Christopher from Crisis Point and welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be taking a look at the realme 9 Pro Plus. Now I did review this early this year, which was the Aurora Green color variant, and from that point to now, I still think the realme 9 Pro Plus is the star player for 2022. Not that I'm disregarding the realme GT Neo 3 or the GT2 Pro that was released globally. I personally think the realme 9 Pro Plus still has a lot of game to bring to the table. And with that said, let's do this. Alright, so this is the realme 9 Pro Plus 5G variant. Now, as I've mentioned, I've been using this product for about probably 30 days now. I actually bought this from a realme store located in SM Cubao, and this is the Sunrise Blue variant, which is the most iconic and catchy one because of its unique design choice as opposed to the more subtle Aurora Green. This variant is 8GB with 256GB of onboard storage. So again, some key features towards the back, basically some of the key features that the majority wants on a smartphone at this price point. Removing the lid, we're greeted with a welcome packet that says, "Welcome to the Realme family." It's always nice to see brands doing this route where it gives you that a little extra of being part of something. Inside we have a SIM ejector pin, the warranty and user guide, a complimentary jelly case, the device itself, a Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, as well as the Super Dart charger in the box. So this is the realme 9 Pro Plus in the Sunrise Blue variant. Now I actually did post the light shifting feature on my Instagram page, you can check it out. It's actually quite mesmerizing to look at, to be honest. In contrast to the Aurora Green that I did review first quarter of 2022, this actually has all that X factor going on, and it is amazing. Initially, I wasn't exactly a fan of the whole Sunrise Blue thing because of, it's just really not my cup of tea, but it kind of grew on me, and I actually did notice that the colorway of the realme 9 Pro Plus Sunrise Blue variant is similar to that small portion of my logo. Right, so if there's anything that I would like to point out, it's the overall feel in the hand of the realme 9 Pro Plus, which I did enjoy a lot. Even when I first got this back in first quarter of this year, it just has a good balance to it. Despite having a massive 4500 mAh battery, the device alone just feels very lightweight and balanced in the hand. So towards the right we have a power button, up top we have a secondary microphone for noise cancelling, towards the left we have the volume rockers that is flanked by the SIM card tray that houses 2 SIM cards, no expandable storage sadly, and down at the bottom we have the Type-C port for charging and data transfer, the primary speaker, the primary microphone, and of course the 3.5mm headphone jack that not a lot of brands actually have. Towards the back we have the 50MP Sony IMX766 flagship camera sensor with support for OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro lens. In front, of course, it has a 16MP front-facing camera, and the earpiece and secondary speaker is underneath the grille up top. Now, the screen itself is a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with support for 90Hz refresh rate and a 360Hz touch sampling rate. Quite a lot of jargon if you think about it, but generally you're going to be getting a really good performing screen on the realme 9 Pro Plus. Very enjoyable in terms of content consumption, playing games, social media. This is going to be a very enjoyable screen to work with. Now at this point in time, if you're still not decided on what smartphone to get for the coming holidays, and the realme 9 Pro Plus is probably one of your top picks, and stay tuned on the channel as I'll be releasing upcoming videos, particularly with the realme 9 Pro Plus, some bonus features like camera tricks using the realme 9 Pro Plus, some gaming videos if you're into that too, as well as a long-term review video using this as my dedicated smartphone for the next 30 and 60 days, just to help you guys decide on whether or not this realme 9 Pro Plus is the best smartphone for you to consider and buy in 2022 in contrast to the competition. So if you're down to that, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any future content with the realme 9 Pro Plus. And that's pretty much it for this quick unboxing video of the realme 9 Pro Plus Sunrise Blue variant. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or inquiries or something you would want to see on the channel for this particular model in the coming weeks. I'll check them out. If you have any questions, I'll check them out too. Thanks again for watching. This is Chris once again from Crisis Point, and I'll catch you on the next.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising.